Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how you can make money online in 2025. If you're ready to turn your passion into profit, stick around till the end, because I am about to reveal the methods that are booming this year. Method 1. AI and content creation. First up, artificial intelligence. Yep, you heard that right. In 2025, tools like Chat or Midjourney allow you to create articles, videos, and even designs in a flash. You can offer writing services, create visual content, or even run YouTube channels with automated production. It's fast, powerful, and profitable. Method 2. E-commerce and print on demand. Next, we have print on demand, which is exploding right now. You create designs, put them on products like t-shirts, mugs, or bags, and print-on-demand services handle everything for you. No inventory, no hassle, with platforms like Printful or Teespring. You can launch your store in a few clicks and reach customers worldwide. All you need
Go Login, the best browser for managing multiple accounts.
is creativity, and the money starts rolling in. Method 3. NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Another hot area is NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Yes, it's a volatile market, but the opportunities are huge. You can create and sell unique digital artwork as NFTs, or invest in cryptos that still have massive potential. In 2025, the possibilities are endless, as long as you understand the risks and keep learning. Method 4. Online teaching and coaching. Finally, online education and coaching are more popular than ever. If you're an expert in something, whether it's fitness, personal development, or finance, you can create courses, webinars, or offer one-on-one coaching. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even YouTube allow you to monetize your expertise and share your knowledge with thousands of people. So there you have it, a quick overview of the hottest methods to make money online in 2025. If you're motivated and ready to take action, now's the perfect time to get started. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our next videos and leave a comment if you've got any questions. Good luck with your online journey and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.